हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं, बच्चों का ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट 5 साल की उम्र तक मैक्सिमम हो जाता है। तो ये बेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है जब हमें उन्हें मैक्सिमम चीज़ों का, एनवायरनमेंट का, आइटम्स का लर्निंग एंड एक्सपोजर देना चाहिए, बट डेफिनेटली नॉट इन अ प्रेशराइज वे, बल्कि इन अ फन एंड प्लेफुल वे. So here I am coming up with the review of one of the best activity kit which I personally use for my daughter, and I found it like it is a very good engaging content which help her in learning and practicing key concepts in a very playful way. So here it is, Search and Find Activity Kit. So if you want to purchase this activity kit, you can find the link in the description box given below. So basically this activity is for 3 to 6 years of age, but I introduced this activity kit to my daughter in 2.4 years. So once you open the box, ये कुछ इस तरह से है। इसमें 2 मार्कर पेन हैं, ब्लू एंड ब्लैक, एक डस्टर है। Along with that इसमें 6 एक्टिविटी मैट्स हैं like this, और हर एक्टिविटी मैट के 2 sides है, and each side have like one or the other environment or theme, you can say. So like you can see here, this is like under the ocean theme, this is like wild animal theme, and this is like restaurant theme, and this is like vegetable market theme. So in total there are like 12 themes. और बच्चे को इसमें like you can ask him like where is cabbage, then that kid have to search for the cabbage in the larger or the bigger picture and can mark it using the marker, like here it is cabbage. Then you can ask him like, ask your kid like where is pumpkin, then that kid have to search for pumpkin in the bigger or the larger picture and mark it using the pen here. And once it is done, you can like wipe it using the duster, and this activity mat is like reusable multiple times. Where is sun? Good job. Where is moon? Tell me, where is moon? Very good. And where is earth? Where is earth? Good job. And where is Jupiter? Where is Jupiter? Good job. And where is satellite? Very good. And where is astronaut? Wow, very quick. And where is alien? Very good. Good job, Tisha. Well done. So basically this activity is very useful in improving your kid vocabulary, skills like logical reasoning, observation, mental processing, social and communication skills and attention and focus. So मैंने बहुत बार नोटिस करा है कि कई पेरेंट्स को ये प्रॉब्लम रहती है कि उनका बच्चा बहुत देर बैठता नहीं है, उनका अटेंशन स्पैन बहुत ही शॉर्ट है. So this activity is really good to improve their attention span. उनको engage करके रखने के लिए बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटी है. इससे उनके vocabulary भी बहुत improve होगी. Definitely I myself have like observed कि मेरी daughter तिशा ने इससे बहुत सारे words, terminologies और चीज़ें सीखी हैं जो वो real world environment में बहुत अच्छे से relate करती है. So उसकी vocabulary definitely improve भी हुई है. So this is a good activity. Go for it. I would really recommend for you to buy it and use for your kids. So play with them, be with them, and enjoy the sense of joy and achievement when you will ask them to search a small item and they will find it out into the bigger picture, and definitely it will give you a sense of proud to see their expression. So I would definitely recommend this activity because it is a good activity to build a relationship between you and your kid, and it is a good way to spend quality time with your kid. So go for it and do let me know if you find this activity kit good. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.